How to use an electric chainsaw. First, you don't trip over logs. I'm cutting them short because this is for a fire pit. Little small logs. Good fire pit size, just to sit outside and enjoy the cool weather. Some nice wood burning. I think this is oak. I believe it's oak. I could be wrong. Doesn't really matter. Oh yeah, that cut like butter. Let's go over here and cut some more. This tree fell in my backyard. I'm here to chop him up. Got a good base holding it. Good to go. When your saw starts getting stuck, stop and then start from the bottom. It's just a tree, the weight of it closing down on your blade, that's all, or your saw. Now some folks like to start from the bottom, then when you cut from the top, it'll just fall without falling on your saw, protects your saw better. So a lot of times I'll start from the bottom. I'll do that this time just to show you an example. Let me trim this out of the way first. A couple knots in the way. Down. So start from the bottom, halfway, or a third of the way, and come back from the top. Let gravity do all the work. Learn it from a pal. Just like that. There you have it. How to cut with an electric saw. Now, whatever brand you want to use that, but make sure you get a high amperage. That's what matters. Over and out.